How to download Steam Deck firmware updates before everyone. Explore Steam OS future before they release to the general public by following these simple steps. The Steam Deck is a piece of portable gaming hardware that lets you take a good of your PC gaming library on the go. It feels great in the hand with twin along sticks, twin touchpad, and multiply padless but value Steam OS firmware. The operating system that power the Steam Deck is just as important to the system success. Value regularly pushes out a firmware update that give the Steam Deck functionally, meaning today's system is not quite the same as the one that debuted earlier this year. Normally, you have to wait until an update is available in the Steam OS stable channel before installing the patch. However, our infection type can test the firmware before it's analyzed by depending into the Steam OS system update channel. There's a how to do it. For stable, you can install the recommended version of the Steam OS patch. This is firmware that value has demand worthily enough to go live to everyday Steam Deck user. The Steam Deck tops this channel by default. The beta channel is according to the system update channel itself for testing new Steam feature. This channel frequently updates, and you can expect some minor bugs and my personal Steam Deck live in this channel, as I am one of these curious people. Finally, the preview channel lets you test new feature in early form, in fact so early that value status that you may choose. This is channel for the bravest of the brave Steam Deck owners. Functionally, value makes it simply to jump from one channel to another. Press the Steam button, scroll down to setting, and press the A button. Scroll down to system update channel. Select either beta to preview. Your Steam Deck arrives with the stable channel active. A restart now prompt will appear. Click it to reboot the Steam Deck and apply the new system channel. Repeat steps 1 3. Except you are scheduled into software updates instead of system update channels. Click check for update to see if fresh firmware is available. If something is available, click the apply icon to a system restart and update installing. That's it. Please note that if you encounter an issue with the update firmware, follow value step by step system recovery guide to return your Steam Deck to its normal pre state. You will need to download the system recovery image, grab a USB drive, and get a USB-C adapter to start the repair process. There are for Linux, Mac, and Windows. Value offer for recovery option: image Steam Deck, clear local user data, reinstall Steam's OS or recovery tools. Once again, check the recovery guide to determine which route is best for your Steam Deck. It is cool to simply upcoming feature in the system update channel, but Steam Deck has even more to explore. Check out 9 tricks to get the most out of your Steam Deck and Steam Deck. Everything you need to know about value and health gaming PC to get started.